Lothlorien and then Lothlorien here. I got the name wrong. Hobbiton, Middle Earth, Ithilien, the Hornburg, Buckland, Emyn Muil, Bywater. Don't ask me what Silverload is. I don't know. Ethel Dwarf, when I got that. Entwash, Paths of the Dead, Dolam Roth, Westfold, Old Forest, don't know Tolbrandir, White Mountains, Cirith Ungol. How's the Cirith Ungol? Sometimes I see them and I'm like, oh shit. And then sometimes I see them and I'm I'm sorry. Do I name the locations? That's so funny. Let's try a Hobbit character. Go, but I don't think so. We got him! Smaug. Incredible. Thank you. Thank you. Bard. Bard the Bowman. Oh, fuck. What's his name? Beorn. Colin. Okay. And then there's the, oh, Gwahir might come up for this one. Yeah, there he is. I was like, Gwahir must come up for this one. Lobelia, maybe? Yeah! Gaffer? No. Shadowfax? Galadriel. He might mention her. Elrond? Wizard guy, Radagast. Oh, fuck, how do you spell Radagast, guys? There you go, Radagast, Saruman. Morgoth? Melkor? Just in case. there's someone I'm thinking of, and it's who their ancestor. Their ancestor that had domain. And then the other guy who shows up at the end to help them fight, but not really. There we go. There we go. Dane. There we go. Dane again. What quiz site is this? This is Sporcle. S-P-O-R-C-L-E. It's just Sporcle. Just do a bunch of quizzes. Who else would be in here? Aragorn? Maybe there's mention of him? No. Maybe not. Who else is in the... Who's in the Hobbit? I feel like the Hobbit is much more focused on the group. And the group doesn't split up like in Lord of the Rings, you know? They're very much together. So I'm like... Who? I haven't read The Hobbit in so long! Who's that? Nope. Thorin. Maybe they mentioned Gothmog. Why would they mention Gothmog? Not Gothmog. What's Glaurung? No mentions of no Glaurung mention? Criminal. Guys. Eru? No? Okay. I don't know. Blue wizards. Who the hell else would be mentioned, guys? No, Tariel's Tariel. This is by the book, I'm pretty sure. She's not in the book, so she doesn't count. She's a movie-only character. Necromancer. Sauron's already there, yeah. I don't think. Yeah, Necromancer's not a separate one, but we could try. Maybe if I put in the family names. Yeah, Fundin! What if I Farin? No. What if I put in Gloin? Damn it. I was like, what if I start putting in the family names? Dees.